Hi, I'm Mel and welcome back or welcome to my channel. If you are new, please subscribe, and I thank each and every one of you who have subscribed so far, and if you subscribe today, I thank you too. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I make a DIY makeup bag. It's like a travel bag size. You can do this technique with absolutely anything. If you are friends with Creative Laurie on YouTube and you saw her live stream, you'd have seen my box that I gave her full of stuff. And ages ago I told you all that I would be making this photo out of fabric, the picture out of fabric, and I've never got round to it. So you can do this. This is exactly the same technique, but for me today I'm going to be making a makeup bag, but it's exactly the same thing. If you want to do it into a photo, you just need to put the flat bit of calico into a frame, or when it's all sewed. So I'm going to use a sewing machine. You can do hand stitch, but the sewing machine is so much quicker and easier. But I'm going to share with you all my fabrics and techniques as we go along. So I'll show you my fabrics now. So the main body of my pictures or my bag, whatever I'm doing, is always calico, and this is what you use to make like a toile, like basically the first base of dressmaking. Basically, when you make up the first run of what you have designed, this is what you would use. And I've just got this left over from college, so I'm just going to cut up here to make it equal. This is too much for me. I don't really want that a bigger bag, but again, you do it to whatever size you want. So that's probably right. So this is the size I've decided to do, and I might put like a base to it too, so it's just a little bit more pokier. Again, if you don't want to make this yourself but you want to buy one, my Etsy shop's down below and I'll put some on there for you, and I'll happily make them. So I'm going to pick out my fabrics now to make like the lipstick and the mascara and stuff like that. Unfortunately, I think my nieces took quite a bit of fabric for her scarecrow she wants to make or needs to make in her homework, but I'm just going to match some fabrics now. Okay, so that is all the fabric I need. I've got a zip as well that I will be putting in on my sewing machine, which is just this one, the 20-inch one, which is actually perfect for the size, even though I just guesstimated that. So now I'm going to transfer to the sewing machine. Well, I'm going to work out the sizes of stuff, cut it all out. You can make it to whatever shape, size, whatever you want. If you wanted to do nail bottles, you could do that. Nail varnishes, you could do whatever, but I'm going to do a mixture. And I've got black thread on my sewing machine, which is perfect for the majority of stuff, so I'll go with that first and then switch it out. But I'm going to cut out what I want now. So can anyone guess what anything is yet? So it's obviously a beauty bag, but this is what it looks like so far, and I've just pinned on every bit of fabric that is on there. And so this is the sewing machine today I'm using is the Genome model 7025. This isn't mine, it's the newer version of mine, which is my mum's. And I'm going to be using C on length 1.5 and width probably where it is. So it's quite close together, and that is how you want it. I've got black thread, which is what I want on it because it just makes it stand out. Like, I'll show you this photo. See, it makes it really stand out. You can start wherever you want. Make sure your fabric isn't folded over. I am just going to start on here and go around everything. So this is the stitched versions. You can see what they pretty much are now. I just need to change the colour of my thread to do the top of this one, and then I can sew the bag together, which I'll show you. So I'll just do that now. So it needs trimming up. Obviously I've got bits like this, which you can just trim, but this like that. I'm going to trim the back as well because I'm not putting a line in, but you could put a lining fabric in if you wanted. And then I'm just going to fold this together and stitch up the sides and then put my zip in. So you can see I've tidied up the inside now, and you can see even like in black and white it's really cool and effective. So I'm just going to sew up the sides now before putting the zip in. So a seam for me is about 1.5 centimetres, and it's just a straight stitch down, and because you've got the fold at the bottom you don't have to do obviously that. And then I'm going to turn it in the right way just to work out how to do the zip. So like that. And then I'm going to put the zip on now, which I probably need my pins for. Okay, so I've unzipped the zip the full way down, and I'm going to pin the zip onto the fabric so it's making a seam. Like so. When you get nearer to this end where it's zipped up, you're going to have to zip it up, but for now I'm just going to pin it in place just so I know where it goes. Okay, if you have a zip foot, change it. For some reason this sewing machine hasn't come with one, or if it has, it is not here, thank you mother. So we are going to stitch along now. You just got to make sure that you like put the other half out basically, and then so I have just unzipped it a bit again to give it a turn in, and you just need to turn it in the right way. And then just check your zip works, which mine does. And there you go. There is your makeup bag. Or you could use it if you haven't got much makeup, or for a gift for a friend. I think this is super cute. So that is it for today's video. If you liked it, please give it a big thumbs up. Please comment down below if you'd like to make something like this, or if you'd make it into a photo for the wall, or like a picture, or into a bag or something else. My Etsy shop is down below, like I said before, so if you don't want to make one but you'd like to buy one, feel free. I don't mind at all. I enjoy this, so that's what I like to do. So you can go and buy one if you would like. I'll make sure that I put international shipping on, because I don't think many of my stuff has, but I do sell my jewellery too. And yeah, please subscribe and push that notification bell to see when I post. And thanks for watching. Bye.